Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taj and I'm a paycheck budgeter documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. If you are returning, welcome back, beautiful budgeter. In today's video, I am actually going to be decorating a spread for the month of May. This is coming a little early only because of the way my April budget is going, how the overall outlook of that budget looks, and so I need to see the first week of May. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of put this video out early. So if you are interested in seeing how my May spread is going to be looking, then stick around and keep on watching.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got...
Alright, welcome back. So, as I said in the intro, I am going to be decorating the spread for the month of May. The way my April monthly is looking, I need to be able to see that first paycheck in May, and that first week in May, to kind of see you know, how I'm gonna close out and how the April budget is gonna be looking at the end. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Those of you that are not new to my channel, you know that I don't really talk during this video. These type of videos, I just speed it up a little bit, play some music, and just do my thing. So that is what we're going to do, and I hope you stick around and watch. All right, y'all. So this is how my spread is going to be for the month of May. Just pop this back in because I need to be able to see part of the first part of May. I still got to do my financial goal sheet for May, but I'm gonna wait for right now because I'm still kind of early. But I just needed to get this part out the way. I kind of ran out of payday stickers. I needed one more. Normally I have enough, but I didn't realize, or I realized why I was doing this spread, that I am actually going to have an extra extra income because there's actually an additional Friday in the month of May. So I didn't have another payday sticker, so I just put this one. I don't know if I like the way that looks, so I may just go ahead and reprint another payday sticker when I print some more to do my financial goal sheet. So I might remove that. I'm not sure if I like the way that look, but I needed to be able to see the first part of May to kind of get a visual of what, for my fixed expenses, the ones that come every month, the same day, same amount. Excuse me. So this is how my monthly turned out. All right. And I don't do too much on these sheets because this is what I use to do my expense tracking. So yeah, this is how it turned out, y'all. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you could be notified each and every time your girl upload. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Okay, my girls, bye.